Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today we are going to take a look at how to get a zebra using UNC0VER jailbreak. And you can have the Cydia and the zebra install on your jailbroken device, and you can install the packages from both zebra and the Cydia at the same time, and they will function. And my all-time favorite is Cydia. That's what I use always. But zebra is something, I noticed that a lot of people like to try new things and new stuff, and that's why I'm making this video. If you are into Cydia, you can have the Cydia, and also you can test out the zebra at the same time. Now I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step how to get zebra if you're jailbroken using the UNC0VER jailbreak and you have the Cydia. And you're probably thinking, like, you can have only one package install while you're jailbroken through the UNC0VER. Well, that's not the truth, because zebra is the something that have its own repo, and you can install using the you can add the repo to your Cydia and then install the zebra, and then work on both at the same time. And also I did notice that there's a lot of the packages sometimes you can't find on Cydia. Now Cydia is the first thing that people have been using from the beginning of jailbreak community, but now since the zebra, there's some packages that aren't available on Cydia. You can't find them, or they're expired, they haven't been updated yet, but the zebra does. So you can install those packages using zebra. And we're going to take a look at how to get zebra, how to add that to your jailbroken device. Now, before we start this video and before we dive into this, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So the first thing, like always we do, go to your Cydia. Once you open up your Cydia, and what do you want to do? You want to go to Sources tab, and once you go to Sources tab, and you need to add this source right here. It's the getzebra.com /repo/, and I'm going to link this repo in the description so you can easily get it from there. So once you add this repo to your Cydia, then what do you want to do? Open this up, go to all packages, and you have only one thing right there, as you guys can see, zebra. And as you guys can see, we have the green check mark next to it, and all you want to do is install this. If I click on the top right corner where it says modify, and as you guys can see, it's giving me the option to reinstall or remove. So, and also as you guys can see, it is comparable with your iOS version is supported. So I am jailbroken using UNC0VER on 14.3. So once you install this, and then go to your Springboard, and as you guys can see right there, you have the zebra application on your Springboard, and you open this up. And once you open this up, now this is your home screen. This is what it's going to look like. And as of right now, it's just like Cydia, but a little bit different, a little bit more stuff that you can do with this. And now we're just going to look at the tab in the bottom first. And so first tab is home, and then next one is sources. And as you guys can see, I have all the sources that I have installed on my Cydia. I'm going to show you guys how to transfer those without any problem, without any issue, or without typing one by one. And then the next option is changes. As you guys can see right here, you have all these packages. And then the next tab is for the packages. So the middle one is the changes, and then you got the packages. That's where you see all the packages that are installed on your device. And then the next one is the search. As you guys can see right here, from here you can search any packages you like. And then if we go back to the home option, and then you got the, as you guys can see right here, the report a bug. You have the option to report a bug right there. And then the next one is the change log, then community sources, and then you got the store, wish list. And then as you guys can see on the top right corner, right there, a little switch, click on that, and then you have this window pop up. And from here, now we're going to take a look at it. You can change all these settings on your device. So for example, the first option is display. If we click on that, as you guys can see right there, the accent color, now we're going to click on that. And you can choose, you have all these accent colors that you can change from. As you guys can see on the top left corner, it says display. So now watch that word, display. If I click on this first option right there, it's change. Next one, as you guys can see, cornflower blue, it changed to blue. So and also the really good thing is you don't have to respring for this to take effect. So now we're gonna do golden right there. As you guys can see, it changed. Then you got this one. Then so it's basically a lot of the color that you can choose, whatever the color you like, and just like that, just tapping that. And or you can do the first option right there using the system accent color. If we click on that, as you guys can see, everything disappears. You have the system color, which is blue, and if you turn this off, and then you have all these choices to choose from. And next one is this one right here is use the system appearance, and then you got the pro black mode. If we click on this, as you guys can see, the background is turned to pitch black. And if I turn this off, as you guys can see, now it's gray, dark gray. So this is really awesome. And then the next one, the next tab is for language. If we click on this, you have you can turn on the use system language, or you can click on this option right here, and then it will take you to next step, and you can pick the different language, or you can turn this option off. And as you guys can see, you have the different language right here. There's so many language that you can choose from, and then you can apply that, whatever the language you want that zebra to be in. And then the next option is app icon. Now if we click on that, as you guys can see, you have all these different icons that you can choose from. So so the first one is with the default, and we're going to do black with white stripes. If we click on this, and as you guys can see, you got this pop-up. You have changed the icon for zebra. Hit OK. And if we exit out of that and go back to your springboard, and as you guys can see right there, it took effect. So just like that, you can change the app icon out of all these. So if we click on this one right here and exit and go back, and as you guys can see, you can change to that. And just like that, you can change the app icons. And then the next one right here, you have the option for filter. Now if you click on this section, add filter, add the sources, you can add right here, and then you get all these three options you can choose from. And then from here, the next one is home. and the future packages, and then as you guys can see, you got the future type. You click on this and you can choose the repo future, or you can do random, and I always leave it on the repo future. So it's up to you what you want to choose. And also, this is really awesome, the sources, and then you can do automatic refresh, or you can do the download timeout. So basically, the download timeout, what this does is basically, sometimes the developer is working on one of the repo, and every time you loading the what they call Cydia or your Zebra, and what it does is it takes a longer time because the system don't know what is going on, why it's taking that. So you can set the time to 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or you can do 60 seconds, which is a minute. And then what it's going to do, if there is any repo is down, the developer is working on, and it won't take that long to load that, so that you don't have to sit there and wait for that repo to load before you proceed to the next step. So this is really awesome, and with default you get 60 seconds, but you can change to 5 seconds as well. As you guys can see, it changed just like that. And then for this to take effect, you have to refresh Zebra source when opening the app. Next one is the community news. Display recent community post from Jailbreak, and then you got the packages. Always install latest packages. You can turn this on. Always install the most recent version of the package if it is not ready to install. Then you have the live search. You can do the live search right here and then finish automatically. You can turn on this option right here, and what it will do, automatically dismiss the console when all of a task has been completed. And then you got the swipe action, display as text. So you click on this, you can do the text or you can do the icons. Those are the two options you have. So we're gonna hit the done. So this was the setup of the home for the Zebra application. Now we're gonna go into the sources. Now as you guys can see, all these sources, and then you can do the sources tab. That's in the default right there, or if you click on the plus sources, and that will give you every single source up there, and you might don't have all these installed. So what you can do, you can easily install from here. For example, we can do this source right here. If you click on this, as you guys can see, you have this window pop up. You can save to my source list, or you can copy, or you can add. And if you hit add, it will install, it will add to your as Zebra, and it will come up right here. As you guys can see, it's already installed on my sources, so I don't need to install it again. And now the next option right here, you can do edit and add right there, or you can go to the plus sign on the left on the top left corner. If we click on this, as you guys can see right here, you can enter a source URL, and you can add one by one, or you can add multi right here. So what you can do, you can add all the sources right here on this list, and then once you done adding, as you guys can see right here, let me repo dot so let's do JCK dot org and /, and as you guys can see, the minute we completed, the edit button light up, and all you have to do is hit edit, and it will get added to your from here. It's really awesome because you can add one or you can do so many of them. And now the next option, we're going to go into the changes right here, and once you go to changes, that's where you see all the packages and everything that new ones or the old ones, drag Ebler, and as you guys can see, you have now on the Zebra, you have a little bit more information, a little bit more description for that, and also like 99% of the packages have the screenshot, so you can open those up and look at it before you can install it, as you guys can see, just like that. And the next option we're gonna go to is packages right here, and that's where you have all the, now from here, if we click on the ABC, it will put everything in order as from A to Z, and then you can do the date. As you guys can see, if we click on that, everything is going to organize as a date. So as you guys can see on the top, first available upgrade. So these two packages, there's update, I haven't updated yet. So the next one, you can see these three of these got dropped on April 23rd, 28th, 2021. And if we go down, and then these are two, so it's organized by date and a time, as you guys can see right here. And then this section right here, one of these got a drop on the 27, and then you got the, if we go down, 26, so just like that. And then you can do by size as well. So the third option is size, and you can do by the packages size as well. So this is really awesome, really nice. And I mean, some of you guys probably gonna like this more than you guys like the Cydia, but I always use Cydia for my device, but it's up to you guys what you guys want. And I'm going to list that repo in the description, and for you guys to be able to get the Zebra, and you guys need to add the source and then download the Zebra on your device. And also, really quick, I just want to mention, this is my Cydia. So if I open this up, as you guys can see, it's fully functional, it's fully working, and as you guys can see right there, the Zebra, and I can install packages from the Cydia and the Zebra at the same time, and it will work. So just like that. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this Zebra and checking it out. And also let me know in the comments below what do you guys think about this, and if that was the helpful video to you guys. And also last thing, I just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any videos in the future. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.